Hi guys, it's Christina Marie here. Today's video is on the 2019 January Boxycharm Box. This is my first Boxycharm Box, so I can't wait to see what's on the inside. And I'll give you my honest reviews, what I liked, what I loved, what I'm going to pass on. And if there's a look that I can build at the end of it, I will do a try on and let you know what I think. If you like today's video, make sure to hit that like button, and it would really mean a lot to me if you were to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video will be posted. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription box. You do get 4 to 5 full-size products, and they ship to the US and Canada. I'll put the link to their website in the description box down below. So let's get this party started. I haven't taken a peek inside, so let's get to it. So this is how it looks when you open it up. You get this cute little Boxy and Chill card, and it lists on the back each description about each of the products and how much the retail cost is as well. So I'm going to put that to the side, so I'm going to be a little surprised here. The first thing is this, let me get my glasses on for these. So the first thing is the Tarte High Performance Natural Rainforest of the Sea. It's Sizzling Eyeshadow Palette. I'm a little nervous about this because I've seen a couple of the other unboxings, and some of the Tarte palettes were great. Others of them were really light and were really hard to build upon. So this is what mine looks like. It's this really pretty gold and kind of pink rose glitter. And it's not coming off, which is great. Let's open it up and see which one I got. It does come with a protective seal. Let me, so I don't blind you guys here. And this is the one that I got. I do like this. It is the darker one, and this is the one that I was really hoping to get. It looks like it's got probably 1, maybe 2 mattes, and then the rest are all shimmers. So I'll definitely be doing a look with this at the end of the video. So let's read just a little bit about that. So it is the Rainforest of the Sea Sizzle Eyeshadow Palette. Get the golden hour glow with these 8 sunset-inspired eyeshadow shades. This buttery cushion formula easily glides onto the lid, while the antioxidant-charged marine plant extract helps hydrate and protect the lids. The coconut oil and vitamin E deliver an intense moisture condition to the skin to help reduce the appearance of fine lines. The retail price on this is $36. So this right here just pays for your box already. So next item I'm pulling out is the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I'm a little nervous about this because I have kind of dark eyebrows. So on one side is an applicator brush. And here's what the product looks like. And then on the other side, get it open. There we go. So your product is all in here. And what you do is you just kind of dip this in here and then put it on your eyebrows. So I can already tell that this color is going to be too light for me. So I'm going to go ahead and pass this on. I will either pass it on to our friend or put it in a giveaway box. Let me know in the description box below if you'd like to see that in the giveaway. So what it says about this one is the Chella Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula blending easily, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. So the manufacturer retail price on this is $26. So next we have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I love leave-in masks. So here is this one, and I haven't tried this one out yet, so I'm looking forward to that. And here's what it says on that one. It is 20 ounces, can't be right. 2 ounces. There you go. The super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides reparative benefits and beyond. Its unique formula of micro-escalation argan oil and optimal blend of transforming nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, biotin help to promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. The retail price on this one is $16. So next we have here a Bite lipstick. Let me pull it out here. So this is a high impact lipstick. So it comes in this, and there's an outer container here. This is what it kind of looks like. This is the shade that I got. Ooh, Natalie. That is one bright purple. I like berry colored lipsticks, but that one is not gonna go well with me. It's a really dark purple. So I'm not gonna swatch this, so that way we can, I just noticed this has a little bee right here too. So I'm not gonna swatch it this way I can give it in a giveaway or a pass it on to one of my friends. So what it says about that is a high impact lipstick in multi-dimensional shades with handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. The lipstick serves bold, creamy color and an unforgettable, sensational experience in a single swipe. I mean, it looks highly pigmented, and I think it would look great on somebody who's just it's not for me. So the retail price on that one is $26 on this guy. And then lastly, I'm so very excited. You get 2 Taupe face masks. These are the Illuminating Dewy Skin Mask. So they nourish skin from within using lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin's health and radiance. So the retail price on these for the 2 of them is $24. So that's a $12 sheet mask. I would never pay $12 on its own. But Taupe has really, really good skincare. Their skincare is seriously on point. I am going to be doing a masking video. I'll try a bunch of different masks and kind of edit them together, so I'm not doing them all at once. But I can't wait to try this out for you guys. So that is it for today's box. Which of the products were your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I will list in the description box all the products that I used for today's look. Give me just a second and I'll be right back when I put together a look with the Tarte palette. So here's the look that I created using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette. Here are my thoughts on it. So let me get it open here for you. Number one, these pigments, these shadows, they look highly pigmented. I was incorrect earlier when I told you there were 2 mattes. There's actually 3 mattes. So they look highly pigmented, but you have to build these suckers up to get any sort of a look. I think it's a really good daytime look. They blended really easily. I didn't have a whole lot of fallout, so all that was really great. It's just, it took a lot to even build up just to this look. So I think it'd be really good daytime. I think if you're trying to do a color for evening shadow, you're probably gonna wanna choose another palette. So that was my first box. So what'd you guys think? Did you like it? Did you love it? What items were your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. As always, you guys, have a beautiful day, and I will see you next time.